First of all, let me tell you about Satrenga. District headquarters is Korba city, situated on the banks of two rivers, Hasdev and Ahiran. The Banco Dam has been prepared by the Chhattisgarh government to develop Satrenga, Buka and Golden Island on the banks of Hasdev. Satrenga is located about 40 kilometers away from the Korba district headquarters. It is blessed with lush green forest cover where tribal population are found. The main tribes belong to Satrenga are Pahadi Korba, Gord, Rajgord, Kavar, Bhaina, Binjwar and Dhanuhar. The Adivasis have retained their distinctive cultural characteristic and traditional observances. The main Adivasi festivals are Dev-Uthni, Pola, Chirchira, Karma, Hareli, etc. Whereas Raut Nacha, Karma Nacha, Sua Nacha are the traditional dances of the Adivasis in the district. There is also a huge mountain whose shape is similar to Shivling. That's why we call that as a Mahadev mountain, which adds beauty to it. Variety of forest medicine are found in the forest area of Satrenga, which are used as a natural remedies and medicine. 1400-year-old giant sal tree in Satrenga. There is also a famous waterfall called Devperi near Satrenga. This enclosure has many archaeological heritage attractions, of which rock paintings are prominent. Now comes to challenges. There were many challenges arose along our way, but with regular and gradual persistence, we solved all of them one by one. So first one is scattered. All of were scattered in
मैडम
and
आपकी
around
स्क्रीन
the
बदल चेंज नहीं हो रही है
chain नहीं हो रही.
स्क्रीन वही है इंट्रोडक्शन पे ही है
Introduction.
Slides.
So, but I'm changing on my side, sir. It is shown that it is sharing.
I think you may have to do it you have to
No,
stop sharing and do it share again.
No, it is not changing.
Please disable the share icon. I'm not able to share my presentation.
शिवम कौन है? शिवम को शेयर करना है.
Please share your screen.
Picnics were traditionally done by the tourists by burning fires, cook food by the tourists near the reservoir which is next to the rest house. And there were no security arrangements. And the local fishermen are traditionally perform their fishing. Basically, tourists were using their boating facility to avail that. And later an attempt was made by the forest government to develop the boating facility, but that was not enough. And there was a lot of dust and dirt around there. Despite of being an important destination, local people are not getting any benefit from it. So local community are not mobilized and not aware of the things like the development of Satrenga. Next one is there was no any funds with them. Then there was no unifying theme of Satrenga which adds beauty to it. So basically previously Satrenga was known as Shebi Roads and a single rest house of government which belongs to the forest department. No, there was no precedent in the surrounding area. There was no electricity to facilitate the beauty of Satrenga and during nights. So 1 year before, our Satrenga looked like this. So our major objectives are as follows. First one is gender equality, where both men and women can share equal opportunities and rights. Next one is sustainable tourism. This can be achieved by increasing the benefits and reducing the negative impacts caused by destination, caused by the tourist destination. And this can also be achieved by protecting the natural resources and natural environment while developing and maintaining the tourist destination. Then third one is sustainable livelihood. This is achieved by reducing the poverty and enhancing the livelihood of the local people and moving the most vulnerable society into sustainable livelihood and towards economic stability. Then fourth one is conservation of local heritage. This is achieved by recognizing the historically and cultural heritage as an important asset and try to maintain them. Then, last but not the least, is women empowerment by building awareness of business and innovation that accelerate women empowerment uh, uh, and just have a great impact of the quality of life of men, women, uh, communities and families. As there is a proverb in Hindi which says कि एक समाज तब तक सशक्त नहीं हो सकता जब तक वहाँ की महिलाएं सशक्त नहीं हो जाती. Then comes to strategy. Firstly, we organized a stakeholders meeting where a plan came out based on our objectives. Then simultaneously, community mobilization are done in the local area by bringing them together and just get them aware of the things regarding the development of Satrenga and to strengthen the community participation in the Satrenga for sustainability and self-reliance. Further, we plan and develop all the infrastructure facilities and services, which includes the delivery of safe drinking water, sanitation, health facilities, then waste management and the management of open spaces. Then documentation is done of all design decision, also act as a step valuation. Then financial management is also done in the community level. Then now comes to governance practices. The role of administration is only as a facilitator and a coordinator. We believe in encouraging community participation, which includes pradhans of the panchayat, SHGs, local youth, and SHGs were at the forefront while we was developing the Satrenga. We always support community ownership for Satrenga's environmental, culture, and ecotourism society. So for that, we had made total 9 samitis among the local community and are as follows. Food Samiti, Hospitality Services, Parking Facilities, Driver and Boating Club, Garden Development and Maintenance, Swachhata Samiti, Satrenga Chinhari, All in a Store Samiti, and Security Guard Samiti. In skill development, we have selected a 5 SHG from the local area and sent them to the RCT center under the project called NRLM and trained them in variety of foods like Chhattisgarhi, Chinese fast food, and South Indian and hospitality services as well. We also selected 10 youths from the local area and sent them to Bhopal for train them to how to drive a motorboat and and how to perform a diving. Further, we are encouraging homestay and solemn for adventure tourism and startups. Now, the impacts. Yes, now the infrastructure development, they are well developed. Roads, a concrete road has been made from the main road to the tourist destination. There are five well-equipped resorts where tourists used to stay. Possibly, Satringa is the first tourist destination of Chhattisgarh where a permanent helipad is provided for the landing of helicopters. Solar lights are there, and other power system are also there to enhance the beauty of Satringa during nights. And yes, right now, men and women both are sharing equal rights and opportunities. Then next come to livelihood generated. Yes, now 10 types of livelihoods are generated in Satringa. Youths are earning well by driving their motorboats, and women are also earning a huge amount from the Satringa cafeteria. Satringa Chinhari is an example of preservation, conservation, and protection of local heritage because they have local handicrafts available in their store. And yes, the people of Satringa are well trained and skilled right now. Now, Pangasius fisheries are done in the Satringa. There are total 200 cages and each cage contains 500 fishes around. These are monitored by the 2 samitis and they are earned up to 3 to 4 lakhs in a year. So let us know Satringa in numbers. The total population of Satringa is 1525. The people connected to the development of Satringa is around 1000. Number of samitis found 9. Panchayat participation is 100%. Number of livelihood generated is 10. And till now, approx 20 lakhs amount has been generated through income. So yes, proudly we can say that Satringa is the best model of livelihood through tourism in Chhattisgarh. So these are the photo gallery. As you can see in picture, there is a huge grand entrance of Satringa, which depicted the Chhattisgarhi culture and its heritage, which adds beauty to it. And this one is the children park and open gym, which is located in front of the resort. And it has also nearly about 10,000 flowers planted in the garden. There is also a open is a map engraved in the garden, which depicted the island Buka and Bango Dam in the watershed of the Sitringa. Then first one is open theater, which has a stepwise sitting arrangement. And during nights, campfires are organized, and folk dance and folk music are performed by the folk artists for tourists. The next one is selfie point. Then next one is resort. Yes,
But your screen is still stuck on challenges.
yes,
Sorry.
yes, sir. Thanks for listening. Garbo Nava Chhattisgarh. Any questions?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would request to our jury, is there any question or suggestion? Ma'am,
Madam, first of all, your screen was not moving after the challenges. So
Oh,
I did not stop you because what you were saying, at least that much we could hear, but we have not seen the pictures, etc. And I believe that they would be, yeah, now we can see, sir, on the side, but screen was not moving during the presentation. Now, this is a project which is essentially to develop a tourist destination, and I mean, my question is that you have mentioned that people are earning a lot, and people are, uh, the young have found new professions. And do you have any figures for that, before and after?
sir, your voice is breaking. You're asking for figure about what, sir?
Of the number of jobs created now, and
Sir, there are 10 types of livelihood generated right now.
hmm, yeah,
Am I audible, sir?
yeah, you are audible.
Yes. So there are 10 types of livelihood generated. First one is food court. In food court, the SHG members are involved and they are preparing Chhattisgarhi Vyanjan, Chinese Vyanjan, South Indian Vyanjan, and fast food. And then secondly, then people are also involved in hospitality services. Then parking facility is also handled by the local people. Then divers and boating club are also monitored by the local people. Garden development and maintenance are also done by the local people. Swachhata Abhiyan is also maintained by the local people. Satrenga Chinhari, which have handicrafts of Chhattisgarh, which are available in this store. Then all-in-one store is also maintained by the local people, where all the daily needs are available for the tourist people. Then security guard are also maintained by the local people. So these number of livelihoods are generated there, sir, by developing that tourist destination.
Okay.
thank you so much, ma'am. I would request to UK Sarma sir, is there question or suggestion?
Miss Vandana,
Yes, sir.
your project is very good, and you have developed this area. But what is the effect of this corona pandemic on the current business?
Yes, sir. During Corona pandemic, sir, we have to close that area, sir, because
What
tourists
is
are.
the what is
We
the
have to
status
close.
now?
So we have to close that area, sir, because because tourists are not allowed, sir, during Corona pandemic. But sir, still including the Corona pandemic phases, means in the previous year, 20 lakhs income was generated, sir, which is a huge amount. I mean, during the half year, they were generated that much amount.
Okay, and When did you started developing this site?
So 1 year before. Sir, it is,
1 year.
yes, sir, 1 year before.
Okay, then immediately after started this corona pandemic has come, so it will take some time anyhow. Good effort. It will take some time. Our best wishes with you. Please go
Okay.
ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.